Okay, then here we have lesson 4, sum and product of the roots. Okay, sir, what if we get the roots, two roots of a quadratic equation, then we're going to add and multiply, add that roots and multiply that given roots. Then here comes the sum and product of the roots. Okay, example. We have the table, fill in the table as direction given. Find the roots of the given quadratic equation. Then try to add the given roots and multiply your answer here. If you have two roots or solution of the given quadratic equation, i-add to sila, sum, then you'll get the sum, and multiply that two given roots, we get the product of the roots. Okay, then we have what's new. How do we find the sum and the product of the quadratic equation without having to solve for the roots? In this table, you're going to find the roots in the given equation, then i-add to sila ug i-multiply mo ni sila, i-fill in sa table. But what if there is a shortcut? Okay, what if there is a shortcut? Okay, here we have given explanation, the process. Okay, try to understand the process. Kung anong nakaabot ta ani nga formula. Okay, ani nga formula, so simple. If we know how to find the value of A, B, and C, then we could solve for the sum of the roots of a quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The sum of the roots of a quadratic equation can be determined by x sub 1 plus x sub 2 is equal to negative b over a. So this is the formula. If kabalo mo unsay value ni b and kabalo mo unsay value ni a, then it is very easy to find the sum of the roots. Okay, the process is given. Try to analyze the process. Okay, then, how about let us find the product, or i-times to ang duha ka product. I-times tong duha ka roots. Then, the process is also given. Try to analyze the process. Okay, on your page 12, try to analyze the process. It takes too much time to solve this one, but it is worth it. Product of the roots of a quadratic equation ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. The product of the roots of a quadratic equation can be determined by x sub 1 times x sub 2 is equals to c over a. If you know the value of c and a, then it is very simple to find the product of the given the roots of the given quadratic equation. Okay, example. Here we have an example. Find the sum and the product of the roots of x squared plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0. So since we know that our a is the number beside x squared, so since there is no number, it is directly imaginary 1, or this is directly as 1. Then plus 4, positive 4, the number besides x is our b, muna atong b, then 4. And the next number 3, then this is our c. Then to find the sum of the roots, simply follow the formula. Negative b over a is equal to negative 4. Why 4? Since our b is 4. Then our b is 4. So substitute form. Why negative? Since we have the negative sign here. So negative 4 over b over a. So a, what is the value of our a? So the value of our a is 1. So substitute 1. Next, negative 4 divided by 1 is negative 4. Therefore, the sum of the roots of the given quadratic equation x squared plus 4x plus 3 is equal to 0 is negative 4. Ano yung answer? Simple as that. The product of the roots. To find the product, so we have C over A. Follow the formula, C over A. Then, we have, what is the value of C? We have 3. So, substitute 3. The value of A, the value of our A is 1. So, therefore, substitute 1. 3 over 1 equal to 3. Why 3? 3 divided 1 is 3. Simple as that. Therefore, the sum of the roots of the given quadratic equation is negative 4 and the product is 3. Okay, next, find example 2. Find the sum and product of the roots of 6x squared plus 5x minus 4 is equal to 0. Then, find the value of a. Our a is the number beside x squared. So, we have a is 6. This is our a. Then, a is 6. Then, our b is the number beside our x, the middle term. So, we have b is equal to 5. Then, our c is the constant term. Walay variable. Walay x abay. So, we have negative 4. So, our c is negative 4. Then, proceed. Follow the formula. Sum of the roots. Negative b over a is equal to, what is the value of our b? We have 5. Then, substitute 5. Minus a negative. So, we have next 5. Our a plus a, we have 6. Then, therefore, the sum of the roots is negative 5 over 6. That's it. Then, next, we have the product of the roots. We have c over a is equal to, what is the value of our c? The value of our c is negative 4. So, substitute negative 4 over a. The value of our a is 6. Then, substitute 6 is equal to, simplify, negative 4 over 6 divided by 2. The numerator and denominator. So, simply, negative 4. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then, we get the simplified form of the given fraction, negative 2 over 3. Then, therefore, the sum of the given quadratic equation, 6x squared plus 5x minus 4 is equal to 0. The sum is negative 5 over 6 and the product is negative 2 over 3. Okay, then, some instances given. What if the roots are given and you're about to find the equation? Analyze the next example. Okay, example 1. What if we have the roots but we don't know the equation? So, simply, roots are 4 and 2. So, we have, let x sub 1 is equal to 4. Since we know that this x sub 1 is, this 4 is our root. Isa ni sa atong root. Then, isa ni sa atong roots. Then, 2 is also our roots. Then, we have x sub 1 is equal to 4 and x sub 2 is equal to 2. Next. So, to add, we have x sub 1 plus x sub 2. If we add our root, we add our roots, then we get a number. So, we have simply as our x sub 1 is 4. So, 4. X sub 2 plus x sub 2 plus our x sub 2 is 2. Then, substitute 2. 4 plus 2 is 6. Then, we get our middle term, 6. Then, next, x sub 1 times x sub 2 is equal to, we have x sub 1, our x sub 1 is 4, then substitute 4. Next, times x sub 2 is 2, then times 2. 4 times 2, we get 8. Then this will be our constant term equals 0. Then we have x sub to get, so we have x squared minus the quantity of x sub 1 plus x sub 2, x plus x sub 1 times x sub 2 is equal to 0. Then we get this equation, x sub 2 x squared minus 6x plus 6 plus 8 is equal to 0. But there are other processes to find the equation in the given roots. Okay, example, we have that one. Um, let's try to solve if we could get the same equation. Example, we have the roots are 4 and 2. Let's try this one. X is equal to 2. So simply, to make this one minus 4. Minus 4. So we get x minus 4. Minus 4 is equal to 0. Diba? 0 man eh. Then, this one, minus 2. Minus 2. Then we get x minus 2. This one will become 0, equals 0. Then, we get an equation. Then first, get this expression. Get this expression. So we have x minus 4 and x minus 2. Multiply this binomial. Okay, x minus 4, x minus 2, x times x is we have x squared. X times negative 4 is negative 4x. Negative 2 times x, negative 2x. Negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. Then long bar. Then we get x squared. Negative, same sign. So add, copy the sign. Then negative 4 plus 2 is 6. Copy x plus 8. Then we get the same equation. Expression equals 0. This equation is same as this one, but different processes. It depends upon you what processes do you prefer to solve or to find the given quadratic equation. Okay, that's it. Then you can proceed to some more activities. We have what's more, what I have learned, the directions are given. So you're going to find or solve that one. Answer that one in your drawing book, color violet. Okay, then we have lesson 5.